get home tonight, I'm going to send an email out to our scheduler, or the girl that handles the certificates. Let her know that you've completed your 10 hours.
Okay.
And she'll put the request in for your certificate.
Okay.
The request goes to the government, and they say it takes approximately 10 business days, up to 10 business days, to get your certificate in your email.
So then I can't book my G2 until I get that?
Yeah, unless you've had your G1 for a year.
I haven't.
You haven't, so yeah, okay, so because it comes with a code,
Yeah.
which is evidence that you've completed a driving course, and allows you to book your road test 4 months earlier than other people who don't.
Okay. I was confused on that part.
It's not something that people.
Yeah.
It's not very clear, especially if you go to their website. There, it's like.
Yeah, that's where we went, and it was like I couldn't get it till July.
Right.
And then I was like, and then I asked my friend, and she's like, "Did you finish your driving hours?" And I was like, "No."
Yeah. So there you go.
So that makes sense.
So it would have been July had you not taken a driving course.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're looking at June. That's one. May. It's hard to do this backwards.
I think
April,
it's the end of
March. Yeah.
But my birthday, well, I didn't get it till the 25th, July. So it's like the end of March.
Okay. Yep. That'll be a good time to go. I'm gonna turn right here at the lights. Roads were a little slippery there this morning,
Yeah.
and you couldn't really see the road. It was just like tracks, but filled with snow. Right now there's like pavement showing through, which is good. A little bit better traction.
I know my driveway was slippery.
Mine too. A little bit of ice underneath the
Yeah, I
snow.
didn't realize. I forgot that it was icy the day before.
I almost slipped and fell.
Same.
Last year I was in my driveway going to my car, and it felt like the rug was pulled out from under my feet.
Oh, really?
In the winter there was a little bit of ice under the snow, and I fell backwards and banged my head right on the ground. I thought I was going to get a concussion or something.
Yeah, that's gonna hurt.